You go to Cambodia for what? Study Cambodian. What? It's easy to learn Cambodian from anywhere. You just go to the website khmerlessons.com and choose a tutor. That's it. Really? What's that easy? Yes, of course. I'm learning Cambodian with them too. Can I cancel the flight?
Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Khmer with my channel, and I'm Dara from the Khmer lesson. I hope everyone is good, and today I have a new video for you. In this video, everyone will learn some Khmer phrases that you can use at the cafe. Okay, now if you are ready, let's get into the lesson together. Okay, right now we can start. Do you have any available tables? អ្នកមានតុទំនេរទេ អ្នកមានតុទំនេរទេ តុ is table and ទំនេរ is available. In English you say available table. In Khmer you say table available. That you say តុទំនេរ Again អ្នកមានតុទំនេរទេ Can I see the menu? ខ្ញុំអាចមើលមីនុយបានទេ ខ្ញុំអាចមើលមីនុយបានទេ មើល is the word to look or to watch មើល and see in this case you can say មើល as well and មីនុយ is menu មើលមីនុយ see the menu ខ្ញុំអាចមើលមីនុយបានទេ Another sentence you can say do you have the menu អ្នកមានមីនុយទេ អ្នកមានមីនុយទេ you can use both. Can you recommend something delicious? Can you recommend something delicious? អ្នកអាចណែនាំអីឆ្ងាញ់បានទេ អ្នកអាចណែនាំអីឆ្ងាញ់បានទេ ណែនាំនេះ is a word to recommend ណែនាំ I mean something or anything. Don't be confused with the word what. What is a question and we say a as well. But a here is something or anything. And the word ឆ្ងាញ់ is delicious. ឆ្ងាញ់ is delicious. Now say again. អ្នកអាចណែនាំអីឆ្ងាញ់បានទេ Do you have any vegetarian foods? អ្នកមានម្ហូបបួសទេ អ្នកមានម្ហូបបួសទេ ម្ហូបបួស it means vegetarian food ម្ហូបបួស vegetarian food អ្នកមានម្ហូបបួសទេ I'll take a black coffee ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅ ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅ យក I mean take black coffee is កាហ្វេខ្មៅ ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅ I'll take a small black coffee ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅកែវតូច ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅកែវតូច កែវតូច I mean a small glass small glass ណា you say កែវតូច because កែវ is cup or glass ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅកែវតូច Next one I take a medium black coffee ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅកែវកណ្ដាល ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅកែវកណ្ដាល កណ្ដាលនេះ I mean like middle or medium we say កណ្ដាលណា ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅកែវកណ្ដាល And next one you want large ណា large Okay I take a large black coffee ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅកែវធំ ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅកែវធំ បាទ កែវធំ it mean large glass កែវធំ ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅកែវធំ បាទ I'll get a black coffee to go ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅខ្ចប់ បាទ ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅខ្ចប់ បាទ so when you don't want to drink at the place you just say ខ្ចប់ បាទ is to go but actually for the word ខ្ចប់ it's not the word for to go ណា to go just say ទៅ some people they say go home so seller they understand ខ្ចប់ and the meaning of the word ខ្ចប់ is to pack ណា ខ្ចប់ when you pack something we say ខ្ចប់ so when you say ខ្ចប់ I mean you want them to pack coffee for you and you go ណា បាទ okay so when you want to go or take away បាទ just say this word ខ្ចប់ again ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេខ្មៅខ្ចប់ បាទ do you have Wi-Fi បាទ នេះ easy to ask Wi-Fi we say Wi-Fi as well easy to understand អ្នកមាន Wi-Fi ទេ ណា អ្នកមាន Wi-Fi ទេ បាទ can I get this food to go បាទ so after food when you want to get something to go okay just say this sentence ខ្ញុំអាចខ្ចប់ម្ហូបនេះបានទេ ខ្ញុំអាចខ្ចប់ម្ហូបនេះបានទេ it means you say can I pack this food ណា can I pack this food in my structure we say like this ខ្ញុំអាចខ្ចប់ម្ហូបនេះបានទេ បាទ can I have a glass of water ខ្ញុំសុំទឹកមួយកែវបានទេ ខ្ញុំសុំទឹកមួយកែវបានទេ បាទ instead of saying to take to get you can use another word is សុំ បាទ in English is to ask for when you ask for something you say សុំ ណា for me I always use this word all the time when I would like something បាទ in polite request ខ្ញុំសុំ blah 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 okay បាទ so this one say ខ្ញុំសុំទឹកមួយកែវបានទេ បាទ ទឹកមួយកែវ it mean a glass of water បាទ ទឹក is water glass is កែវ ទឹកមួយកែវ in English you use a glass of water in Khmer you say water one glass ណា បាទ how to use differently បាទ ខ្ញុំសុំទឹកមួយកែវបានទេ if you want coffee you just say ខ្ញុំសុំកាហ្វេមួយកែវបានទេ ណា បាទ do you have hot tea អ្នកមានតែក្តៅទេ well you know in Cambodia most people when they drink coffee they would like they always drink coffee like with hot tea after they drink coffee they always drink hot tea or iced tea ណា បាទ okay so again do you have hot tea អ្នកមានតែក្តៅទេ បាទ តែក្តៅ is hot tea តែ is tea ក្តៅ is hot hot tea in Khmer you say tea hot បាទ តែក្តៅ អ្នកមានតែក្តៅទេ or if you want iced tea បាទ you say អ្នកមានតែទឹកកកទេ អ្នកមានតែទឹកកកទេ បាទ ទឹកកក is ice iced tea tea ice អ្នកមានតែទឹកកកទេ បាទ can I change my order បាទ when you order something wrong you want to change you can use this sentence ខ្ញុំអាចប្ដូរការកំងបានទេ ខ្ញុំអាចប្ដូរការកំងបានទេ បាទ ប្ដូរ I mean to change ប្ដូរ កំង when you use it as a verb to order something you say កំង but when you use it as a noun you just add ការ before so you say ការកំង ការកំង ខ្ញុំអាចប្ដូរការកំងបានទេ okay បាទ bill please បាទ នេះ you say សុំគិតលុយ បាទ most students they know this word already when you go to a restaurant and want to pay the bill you just call them and say សុំគិតលុយ សុំគិតលុយ បាទ គិតលុយ it mean បាទ calculate money because for the word គិត only you can use with think or calculate and លុយ is money calculate money or think money and សុំ is please សូមគិតលុយបាទ Do you accept card អ្នកទទួលការទេអ្នកទទួលការទេបាទទទួល it mean to receive or to accept ទទួល and card is card ណា card is card បាទអ្នកទទួលការទេបាទ that's all for this lesson. I hope this lesson is useful for everyone and you can practice Khmer sentence when you go to the cafe. But thanks so much for watching, and if you have any question or have any idea, please let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer your question. But again, thanks so much for watching and see you again in the next video.